We're at Dash Point State Park, going to camp the night. It's a little cooler here along the beach. Tide's out. People still are enjoying the beach way out there. Nice. Look at him. He wants to watch the skimboarding events. It's like fun.
Oh my God.
Here comes a big freighter going up the Puget Sound. Probably from Tacoma on its way out to the channel and straight up onto Fuca and then to the Pacific Ocean. Tent's all set up at Dash Point in Seattle area. Actually, it's closer to Tacoma. And we're gonna have a little bit of snack for dinner. We're tired, been a long day. Shadow wants to be next to us at the table for a few treats. It's a nice campsite and campground's pretty well maintained. Got full utilities and tent sites.
Had to bribe her to eat.
Recreation in the area, showers, toilets. It's very nice. What did we pay? $30?
$35.
$35 for the night. Watch the sunset. There you go. Up, up. Good girl.
Stay, Shadow, stay. Stay. You look like a wet raccoon.
You've been in the water?
She's a beach girl. All the way from West Virginia.
Really?
Ellie's a hiking girl.
Couple of osprey flying around and fishing. It's fun to watch them dive into the water, bring up a fish. You got a fish, and I got him on video.
You did? Is he gonna drop it? No.
Oh, cool.
Now if he flies up closer so we can see it. Must be heavy. Oh, there he goes.
Got two of them now in it.
Look at him shake.
Water's really warm as the tide comes in. Sand's been warmed up by the sun.